Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys infinix phone setting guys. In this video guys, we will talk about guys lock screen pattern setting guys. How can we set and guys how can we use in our infinix phone guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So let's see friends how to set pattern. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to set your lock screen pattern. Then guys scroll it. Guys click on your security setting. So guys tap here and guys you can see your screen lock setting. So guys again tap here. Guys you can see pattern. So guys tap here and guys next. So guys draw any pattern and guys if you take, guys you can see guys cannot at least 4 dots and guys if you take 3 dots it will not work. So we will take these 4 dots. Next, confirm, done. And guys now come back and guys let's see. So friends now you can see we have this pattern lock. So we will open our phone to unlock our pattern. So I hope friends you have understood how to set lock screen pattern in our Techno phone. So that's it guys. Thanks. Oh, Infinix phone, sorry friends. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So guys now we will not on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye friends.